I'm Darren Hager, Chief Everything Officer at heydayfootwear.com, and we're going to take a quick look at the gray and yellow Super Freak. Comes in our red shoe bag. Here is the Super Freak. It sits on our nearly flat but cushioned cardio sole, which has a rubber heel pad in the back, as you can see there. The upper is a charcoal matte finish ballistic mesh, very tough, won't tear, but still breathable. And then you have yellow for the webbing metatarsal cage and the yellow elastic strap, which is removable. Heyday's signature wraparound tongue can snap on or off of the collar, as you can see, so you can have tighter fit or just different style. It's a really great shoe, ultra lightweight, super breathable, very comfortable, great for high impact cardio as well as leg day or strength training, anything else. But this is really great for boxing, running on the treadmill or even in the road, Zumba, agility ladder. These are basically high top running shoes, and they're available only at Heyday Footwear, where it's not hype, it's Heyday.